il suffit d'écouter. Les phrases les plus utiles en anglais pour les débutants. Plus de pouvoir pour vous.
More power to you. More power to you. More power to you.
Si tu dois.
If you must. If you must. If you must.
Comme tu dis.
As you say. As you say. As you say.
Vous ne le savez pas.
Don't you know it? Don't you know it? Don't you know it?
C'est la goutte qui fait déborder le vase.
That's the last straw. That's the last straw. That's the last straw.
Cours.
Of course. Of course. Of course.
J'ai passé un bon moment.
I had a lovely time. I had a lovely time. I had a lovely time.
Bonne chance.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Vous vous y mettrez.
You'll get onto it. You'll get onto it. You'll get onto it.
Ne parlez pas trop tôt.
Don't speak too soon. Don't speak too soon. Don't speak too soon.
Tenez-vous en.
Stick with it. Stick with it. Stick with it.
Puis-je vous aider?
May I help you? May I help you? May I help you?
Tu attends.
You wait. You wait. You wait.
Découvrez quand vous regardez.
Find out when you watch. Find out when you watch. Find out when you watch.
Marche à suivre.
Way to go. Way to go. Way to go.
Très bien.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Plus de pouvoir pour vous.
More power to you. More power to you. More power to you.
Comment va la famille?
How's the family? How's the family? How's the family?
Sortez, s'il vous plaît.
Out please. Out please. Out please.
Mets ça ici.
Put it there. Put it there. Put it there.
Tape là.
Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5.
Je suis cool, tout va bien.
I'm cool, it's all good. I'm cool, it's all good. I'm cool, it's all good.
Utilise ta tête.
Use your head. Use your head. Use your head.
Ne travaillez pas trop fort.
Don't work too hard. Don't work too hard. Don't work too hard.
Je t'entends.
I hear you. I hear you. I hear you.
Je sais, moi non plus.
I know, neither can I. I know, neither can I. I know, neither can I.
Prêt pour ça?
Ready for this? Ready for this? Ready for this?
De quoi s'agit-il?
What is it about? What is it about? What is it about?
Répète.
Come again. Come again. Come again.
Nous visons à plaire.
We aim to please. We aim to please. We aim to please.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.